Signals from GPS, GLONASS, and other satellite systems, when left uncorrected, generate positioning errors of several meters. Applications that demand centimeter or decimeter accuracy require GNSS receiver manufacturers like Novatel to mitigate and correct for these errors. There are many different error sources, such as atmospheric signal delay, multipath, satellite error components, and receiver error components. Real-time kinematic, or RTK, and precise point positioning, or PPP, are two of the most effective methods for mitigating errors to achieve centimeter level accuracy with GNSS technology. Each method comes with its advantages and disadvantages, so understanding the benefits and limitations of both RTK and PPP will help you choose the right solution for your application. RTK is a relative positioning method that provides the highest level of accuracy. With RTK, position is derived by calculating the position of one receiver antenna, the rover, relative to another receiver antenna, the base. Most error sources are common to both rover and base receivers, and are mitigated by differencing the measurements across receivers. This method reduces the magnitude of the errors significantly when the distance, baseline, between receivers is 40 kilometers or less. If you happen to lose visibility of some satellites, an RTK solution is available almost immediately after regaining visibility. So, while an RTK setup requires both base and rover hardware and communications between the two, it provides the highest accuracy and availability of a solution. PPP is a positioning technique that removes or models GNSS system errors using just one dual-frequency rover receiver. PPP depends on GNSS satellite clock and orbit corrections generated from a network of global reference stations. Once the corrections are calculated, they are delivered to the rover receiver via satellite or over the internet. These corrections are used by the receiver to achieve between 5 and 10 centimeter level positioning. Since PPP utilizes satellite delivered corrections, and the same correction data set applies regardless of your location on Earth, this method can deliver accuracies approaching RTK level without the need for a local base station or communications link. However, PPP does have an initial convergence period of 20 to 60 minutes to reach this level of accuracy. Some questions to ask to determine which method is best for you include: what level of position is required for my application to be successful? Is it practical to set up an RTK base station? Do I have a reliable communications link? Where do I need my application to work? What is the geographical environment related to my application? Will there be a lot of signal outages? Whether you need RTK, PPP, or SBAS, Novatel has the right solution for you.